Hi everyone. In this data interpretation, we will solve a tabular format. Here the problem is the table consists of marks obtained by candidates in various subjects. So we have maths, chemistry, physics, geography and computer science. Total 5 subjects are there. The numbers in the brackets give the maximum marks in each subject. So these are the maximum marks for each individual subject. So by adding all these maximum marks, you will be getting the total marks. So total marks of the examination. So here 150 plus 130 it is 280, 280 plus 120 it's 400, 400 plus 100, 100 it will become 600. 600 is the total marks in each subjects. By adding all the subjects you will be getting 600. So in here we have the students Ayush, Aman, Sajal, Rohit, Muskan, Tanvi and Tarun. We have a total 7 students are there. So based on this we will be having several problems. Let's get into that. The first question, what is the average of marks obtained by Aman for all subjects? So they are asking average. Average formula is there. It's sum of observation divided by total number of observation. So this is the formula for calculation of average. So here Aman we have 100 in maths, 80 in chemistry, 18 physics, 14 geography and 17 computer science. So we have to take all the number and we have to add 100 plus 80 plus 80 plus 40 plus 70 divided by the total number of observation is the subjects. The total subjects is 5. So we have to add all the numbers and divided by 5. You will be getting the average of marks obtained by Aman for all subjects. So here 100 plus 80 it's 180, 180 plus 80 is 260, 260 plus 40 it's 300 and 70 it's 370. 370 divided by 5. So we have to calculate, divide from 5, 5 ones are 5 sevens are 35, 2 is the remainder, it's 20, 5 fours are 20. So then the average marks is 74. Option B is a 74. Second question, what is the approximate percentage of marks obtained by Ayush? So options are like this, 62.8, 72.5, 75, 61.66. So we'll see. So we have to calculate the percentage of Ayush. So we have to add all the obtained marks and divided by total marks. So here in maths he taken 90, in chemistry it's 50 and in physics it's 90 and geography 60, computer science it's 80. So divided by the total marks it's 600. So if you want to know the percentage you have to multiply with 100. So then by adding these two, 90 plus 50 it's 140, 140 plus 90 it's 230, 230 plus 60 it's 290, 290 plus 80 it's 370. So 370 divided by 600 into 100. So here we can directly cancel 0 zeros. So 6 ones are 6, 6 are 36. So the remainder will be 1. So then here is 0. So then we can take 10, 6 ones are 6. So then 4, 4 is lesser than 6. So we have to take the decimal point here. So then it will become 40. So 6, 6 are 36. Again the remainder will be 4. So then 61.66 percentage. This is the approximate total percentage of marks obtained by Ayush. Option D is the right answer. Next, third question, what is the approximate average of marks obtained by all candidates in physics? So then we have to take all the obtained marks from physics. So again the same formula, total sum of observation divided by total number of observations. So average, here we have 90 plus 80 plus 90 plus 85, 85, 65 and 50 whole divided by the total students, that is 7. So we have to add all the numbers 90, 80, 90 and 85. 85 it's 170, 170 and 90, 90, 180, 180 plus 260, 260 it's 430. Total 430 plus 50, 480. 480 and 65 it is 545 divided by 7. So then we have to divide from 7. 7 ones are 7 sevens are it's 49. 7 sevens are 49. The remainder will be 5, 55 total. So again 7 sevens are 49. The remainder will be 6. 6 is lesser than 7, so we have to take decimal point, it will become 60. So then 7 8s are, it's 54, 77.8, something like that. So here are the options are like this: 62, 74, 78. So then approximate, if they are asking approximate, we have to round up the nearest value. So then it will become 78%. That is the right answer. The next question: who among the following has obtained highest aggregate marks? Options are Ayush, Aman, Sajal and Muskan. So then we have to add all the marks. So 90 plus 50 plus 90 plus 60 plus 80, and B Aman 100 plus 80 plus 80 plus 40 plus 70. So then Sajal is 90, 60, 90 plus 70 plus 70, and D, that is Muskan, 80 plus 65 plus 85 plus 95 plus 50. So we have to add all the numbers and we have to know the who got the highest aggregate marks. So here 90 plus 50, it's 140, 140 plus 60, it's 200, 290, 290 plus 80, it's 370. And here 100, 80, 180, 260, 300, here also it's 370. 90 plus 60, it's 150, 150 plus 90, it is 150 plus 90, it's 240, 240 plus 7, 310, and here is 380. Here 80 plus 65, 145, 145 plus 85, it's 150, and 230, 230 plus 285 and 90, it's 375. So then 380 is the highest. If Ayush Aman is getting 370, 370, and the Muskan is 375, and the Sajal got the highest marks, it's 380. The next question: who among the following has secured highest percentage in physics, chemistry and maths? So options are like this: Ayush, Aman, Rohit and Muskan. So for Ayush, 90, 50, 90, it's 180 plus 50, it's 230 marks. For B Aman, 100, 80, 80, it's 260. For Rohit, 80 and 80, 160, 160, 220, 230. And the Muskan, 80, 65 and 85 is the same, is equal to 230. So here we have to calculate the percentage marks, highest percentage marks, but the denominator is same. Denominator, it will be 150 plus 130, 120, it's a 400. 400 is denominator for every student, so that's why no need to calculate of any percentage. The Aman is the highest percentage marks in physics. This is the right answer. Thank you for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe for more updates. Thank you.